guys, like, look at this. We're in a car wash. We've been waiting here almost 30 seconds. Take forever. What's he saying? I'm gonna clean your car pretty clean. The person in the car is like, oh no, probably I'm gonna die. What? What's out there? Minion! Ha 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 ha. What? Minion. What? Is there another minion? So we're getting close. I'm gonna go record every bit of this. Oh no. Bro. Oh no. Yo, guys. What's happening right now?
I don't know. I just want the wreck, you know. And under the car too.
And under the car is 14.
Okay.
14.
Man, give them a $20.
Yeah. Whoa.
Yeah, whoa.
But it ain't neutral for me, Hannah, right?
Okay.
Okay, we're on neutral.
Thank you.
Okay, for real, man. You're like, man, close the window. I'm not playing around. Yo, did you take off our wheels?
No brake.
No?
Let go of the brake. No brake. No brake.
Oh.
Get off the brake. Yo, look at that, bro. There's something in the front. Alright, see that? I don't know what that is. We're getting close to it. Bro, first time oh yeah, today is my last day of school. And today I only have 2 months. Yo, it's a rag. Oh no. It's that close. Yo, what if we get trapped in here? Oh gosh! I'm scared. I'm scared, yo. Ah! Another one! Hey, what if this doesn't clean the car now? Yo, what if this doesn't clean the car? Another one! Another one! Oh no. Man, they said you get off the wheel, man. Listen! God, it's flooding! Yo, this is a waterfall, bro. Bro, there's the exit. The light. Oh.
Hãy cái kiếm này.
Okay. Yo, what's this? Yo, that looks dope. That looks dope. All the water's dried up. What's there? Okay, guys, this is the end of the video. Please subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment saying that that's pretty cool. Bye.